Alright, I went ahead and paused the camera as I generally give the speakers a little bit of time to cool down. I want to make sure that they start at relatively the same temperature each time. Also, my dog was sniffing at the door and slamming one of his toys against it, so that obviously was not able to happen while we're testing. So what I'm using to get the weight of these products now is, since Sharper Image Food Scale, it's probably not the most accurate thing in the world, but it gives me an idea of if the manufacturers are at least close with their stated weight per square foot. I'm measuring in grams and converting to pounds per square foot. This weighs 40 grams without the backing. It's significantly lighter than what the last product I tested was, which was the resonance control from New Concepts, which weighed 67 grams. Now, unfortunately, I left my tool outside that I've been using to apply this properly. I'm going to have to pause once more and go get that. However, I'm not removing this metal piece once I've applied it, because frequency response graph, while close, is not identical every time. So it's not going to be fair to try to measure, you know, all the deadeners and compare it to the same metal measurement, because it's not going to be identical. We're going to have to take it as it is and compare the metal to the, you know, deadener every time we do it. So it's going to be two measurements for every product. It's the only way I can see making it fair. It's the only way I can see being accurate enough for this all to be worthwhile. And what I can eventually do is then go ahead and use the metal measurement from each one as the 0 point and normalize everything to that graph so that I can get just what the difference is between them, so you can have an idea of what the difference is only, which will eliminate the differences between the metals in the end. And really the waterfall graph is what really matters, because the waterfall graph shows what's happening over time, and it shows a significantly bigger part of the picture than just a frequency response graph alone does. So I'm going to go grab my tool and I will be right back.